For easier access, I'm creating this video as a separate unit. So if you don't need the review and you only want to know how to set it up properly, you can just watch this video. So we start by installing the dongle. Make sure that the BenQ logo is facing upwards and connect the USB connector on the side and the connector of the BenQ to the HDMI on the side of this projector. Close the lid and you're ready to go. So to start, press power here. See that blinking? Start to power on. You hear the fan now? It's relatively quiet actually. See that BenQ? Now you don't actually see the blinking when you see it directly. It's just the camera that I use. So using the remote, you choose which language you want. But for the purpose of this video, just keep it in English. Press OK. Start to try to focus. There you go. To access the projector menu, you press the projector menu button on the remote. And you will see this. And for the first thing that you need to do is go to picture mode. Press enter and you will see bright, living room, game, sports, cinema, and daytime. I have tested that the cinema is the most accurate color when I use it on my Studio Tech 130 from Stewart film screen. Living room is good for, living room with a little bit of light. And daytime, if you want to use it for as a projector that you put outside, outdoor, during, maybe around 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, you want to watch something outdoors with your family, this is the greatest one. From there, you go to the sound mode. There are so many different sound modes for the Trevolo sound system. And there's a standard, cinema, extra bass, music, game, and sports. I highly recommend you to use the cinema extra bass. It creates a very good bass level. It's not anemic and it sounds very decent using the 2.1 speaker system inside the projector. Now, if you want to go to a more detailed setting, you can go to picture, press enter, and then you see there, you can change the picture mode, and then inside the picture mode, you can change the brightness, contrast, color, and sharpness for every single preset. So that's all you need to know in terms of recommended settings from me. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.